hayaan mo mangyari ang buot mo sa daga, insiring sa langit, ansa mong kakanon sa araw-aldaw. Itao mo sa muy angon yan, asin patawaron mo kami sa samong mga kasalanan. Siring na pinapatawad niya mo ang mga nagkakasala sa muya. Asin hare kami pagdaraha sa sugot, kundi agawa kami sa marao.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Kayang magiliw, etos ang sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigiw, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit ang pagaw, ay hinatang tulang awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na naghihingi, ang bituin at araw niya kailan ang ay di maghihingi. Luman ang araw ng walhabing pagsinta, mo'y langit sa piling ko. Ang inigaya ng pagkay mga aking, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Our institution has been known by different names since 1921, from Albay Normal School to Bicol Teachers College, and now Bicol University College of Education. For 100 years, it has truly been a burning torch of wisdom, safeguarding education in the region by training generations of excellent scholar educators of good character, committed to the service of our country. Good day, dear viewers! I am Miriam Padomaldo, and I will be one of the hosts of this opening program, which will mark Bicol University College of Education's centenary celebration. For 46 years, I have journeyed with BUCE as a student in 1975 and later as an educator. And before I officially retire from service this year, I will not miss this opportunity to celebrate with our beloved institution. With me is Miss Maria Shena Haushan, who is just beginning with her teaching journey in BUCE. Hello, Shena!
Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much. And good day once again, everyone. It is an honor to be your co-host for our opening program today. Once again, I am Maria Shena A. Haushan, an instructor in BUCE. I started teaching in the high school and college departments in 2016. But I'm also an alumna of the BU High School Department, batch 2008, and I'm grateful to have been under BUCE's care.
Indeed, it is a privilege for us to be part of BUCE's 100 years, especially to you, Shena, who will continue to be part of its history as it unfolds.
Truly, ma'am. And as we continue to look back with gratitude and look forward filled with hope and enthusiasm, let us officially open our program with the welcome remarks from our current Dean, Dr. Lorna M. Ninian.
Bicol University officials, Bicol University family, College of Education, family which includes the faculty and non-teaching personnel, students, alumni, our former mentors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to this opening program of the Centennial Anniversary celebration as we commemorate our 100th year as a teacher education institution since its foundation in 1921 as Albay Normal School and Bicol Teachers College in 1962 and Bicol University College of Education in 1969. Celebrating a 100th founding anniversary is a milestone event in the history of an organization, an event that one can witness only once in his or her lifetime. With the recent turn of events in our lives brought by the pandemic, we have failed to notice until October this year that our institution has turned 100 years old. Not wanting the year 2021 to end without commemorating a significant event, we have come up with a simple celebration, something that will not violate health protocols. Without the limitations, we could have done better. I wanted so much to reach out to our former mentors and ask for their blessing and ideas on how best we can celebrate the event. However, time and circumstances are not favorable. So I hope they understand that we do not want to put them into a risky situation in these trying times. Hence, with the support of BU administration, the College of Education Administration, faculty, non-teaching, and our students have come up with activities that would fittingly capture the history and heritage of this prestigious institution, one of the oldest in Bicol University. Adopting the theme, Celebrating the Past, and continuing the legacy of excellence, we are conducting activities to highlight the events, the milestones, and the individuals who shared the history of the college with their leadership and achievement, and to connect with its alumni, students, and former practitioners in our bid to promote the institution's glorious past and to continue the legacy of excellence. You are welcome to view the documentation of the different activities to be uploaded in the BU website and Facebook, and join us as we celebrate this journey of our institution. There will be a series of virtual activities in the next 4 days that will highlight the core values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Our former deans will share their insights on those core values that are now adopted as the 4 pillars of Bicol University. There will be talks and messages, teaching demonstration and other contests, photo exhibit by decade, and a tribute to the former faculty members who contributed much to the growth of the college. We also had research-related activities last week as part of the celebration. In our attempt to celebrate the past, we would like to put the message across that we have not forgotten the men and women who brought this college to where it is now. With the hard work and dedication of the former leaders and faculty members, we have produced thousands of teachers whose impact are now felt in the field of education. Our way of expressing our thanks, appreciation, and respect for the past may be different from how our former mentors would do it. But deep in our hearts, we know that we will always be thankful to this institution and to our mentors for this legacy and the opportunity of enjoying the 100th year in Bicol University. We are also trying to bridge the past and the future by including activities that will sustain the legacy of the past in the hope of attaining more gains for the college and the university, especially along instruction, research, and extension, and looking forward to reaching greater heights in the next 100 years. To everyone who are celebrating with us, thank you for being part of our milestone. May you be the witnesses to tell future generations about how we cherished the legacy of the past and prepared the future for them. Thank you, and I welcome you once again.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Lawrence, for your warm welcome and for your dynamic leadership that guides our college to its future direction.
We now draw inspiration from another great leader who continually blazes a trail not only for the college but for the entire Bicol University. Let us now listen to our beloved President, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, SUC President 4, for his message.
My dear Bicol University College of Education family, today, amidst all the silence and stillness that this pandemic has caused, I sense a quiet yet pulsating celebratory note from this community of teacher molders and educators. Now, in the stillness of the classrooms that used to ring with shouts of joys and frustrations from Bicolano scholars who dream of becoming teachers, I still see endless possibilities amidst this temporary setback. For the truth is, teaching and learning has never stopped, because here in the Bicol University College of Education and the rest of Bicol University, we are never afraid of challenges. We may have felt even partly defeated at some point, but we never thought of giving up for the sake of those whose lives and future are in the hands of every dedicated Bicol University teacher. For how can the College of Education, particularly, ever give up? No amount of wars, earthquakes, typhoons, fires, especially that one in April 1997, not even this pandemic can extinguish the fire of learning and the passion for education of the Bicol University College of Education family. After all, you have 100 years of staying power in you. History and providence have always been on your side. The year 2021 is truly a milestone year, not just because of the continuing pandemic, but more so because you are celebrating your various transitions and ever glorious evolution from the Albay Normal School in 1921 to the Bicol Teachers College, and now to the continuous unfolding of the Bicol University College of Education. The depth and breadth of your influence, guided by the four pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service, is truly a great blessing that we are extremely grateful for. Many before us have come and gone. Deans and staff and teachers have gone past its portals. Yet, its timeliness and timelessness in the entire education landscape of the Bicol region has remained constantly robust in its growth and development as a teacher education college. I am hopeful that in the next years, the College of Education will continue to grow and metamorphose into a life-giving institution, producing teachers steeped in pedagogy and grounded on social realities and becoming change agents for social transformation. My heartfelt and warmest congratulations to my College of Education family on the occasion of your centennial founding anniversary. May the true teacher, the Rabbi, continue to guide us all in the ministry of teacher education.
Thank you very much, Sir Nolly, for your unending support to our college and to the quality teacher education.
We are also privileged to listen to the message of our equally supportive and dynamic vice presidents.
To the officials of the Bicol University College of Education, to all the faculty members, to our beloved students, to the alumni of the College of Education, to all our retirees from the College of Education, to all the members of the community where the Bicol University College of Education has been served. Congratulations to the Centennial Anniversary celebration that we have this year, 2021. We are very proud that our beloved Bicol University has existed in the College of Education for 100 years in order to serve the Bicol region, the country, and even the world. So my warmest congratulations to all of you. Thank you very much.
The President of Bicol University, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, the Vice Presidents, the Dean of Bicol University College of Education, Dr. Lorna Minia, BU officials and members of the teaching and non-teaching personnel, our dear students and our alumni, our honored guests, and other stakeholders, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed my distinct honor and privilege to extend to you all my heartfelt congratulations as we celebrate a very rare milestone in the history of Bicol University, the 100-year anniversary of Bicol University College of Education as the former Albay Normal School, serving as teacher education institution. Since 1921, this college, which has never wavered in promoting the values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service, has remained dedicated to providing the students a place where they can experience success and go on to become productive citizens. Its continuing legacy of excellence has cultivated pride in its tradition, held students to a high standard of academic superiority and competency, and worked to inspire a lifelong commitment of service to others. Friends, education is a huge enterprise that touches everyone's life. And for 100 years, BU College of Education has been producing teachers that have touched lives. Again, we ask the question, why are the teachers important? Let us count the ways. Teachers are arguably the most important members of our society. They give students a sense of purpose, set them up for success as citizens of the world, and inspire in them a drive to do well and succeed in life. Teachers have the ability to shape leaders of the future in the best way for society, to build positive and inspired future generations. Teachers can act as a support system that is lacking elsewhere in students' lives. They hold students accountable for their successes and failures, and good teachers won't let their talented students get away with not living up to their full potential. Teachers are the ultimate role models for students, and teachers provide the education that improves quality of life, therefore bringing so much to both individuals and society as a whole. Friends, during this centennial celebration, we will not only commemorate 100 years of existence, but we will also celebrate our rich legacy of excellence and the prestige of those who have walked the hallowed grounds of BU College of Education, where we believe excellence is a way of life. This historic milestone gives us a chance to celebrate the founding of this college that has changed thousands of lives, reflect on the years of success and the honored tradition of quality, and imagine the next 100 years. Again, happy centennial celebration to one and all. Thank you very much.
On behalf of the Office of the Vice President for Planning and Development, I would like to extend my warmest greetings to the Bicol University College of Education as we celebrate the 100 years as a teacher educational institution and a center of excellence, initially as the Albay Normal School since 1921. Education shows us the importance of hard work and help us to grow and develop. Bicol University today is not only one of the biggest state universities in the country, but is also a university dedicated to uphold the highest values of education, made stronger by scholarship, character, leadership, and service, the four pillars of the university. It is my pleasure to be part of the family, moving as one, to continue to produce a number of successful graduates and professional teachers. So as BUCE celebrates these 100 years, I wish the very best for all of your programs and undertakings. Mabuhay ang Bicol University College of Education.
On behalf of the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development and Extension, together with my directors of the different centers and divisions, our warmest congratulations to Bicol University College of Education on your centennial anniversary. Teaching is one profession that creates all profession. The values that you have inculcated in your students have formed the foundation of the accomplished individual that they are today. As your college enter another year, may you continue to enhance the quality of education in the Bicol region by offering opportunities for your faculty to thrive in their chosen profession, integrating the latest approaches and technologies into your curriculum, and upholding the values of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Let your legacy of excellence and commitment flourish. May it inspire the succeeding batches of students to derive strength from your heritage in surmounting present challenges and shaping their future. Happy Centennial Anniversary, and I wish you much fortitude in the years ahead.
Thank you for your felicitations and for your dedication to our beloved university. Dr. De Rosen, Attorney Bartolata, Professor Bigornia, and Dr. Amano.
Mami Yang, many of our viewers and our current students may be wondering how our college started 100 years ago and what changes and milestones have shaped it to become one of the few centers of excellence in teacher education in the country.
Those are indeed important questions that we should address as we begin looking back. And for this, we will listen once again to our beloved Dean, who will give us an overview of the history of Bicol University College of Education.
Good morning once again. Allow me to recount the 100 years journey of the College of Education since its foundation as Albay Normal School, then Bicol Teachers College, before it became Bicol University College of Education. You may have seen this structure, or you may have passed through its portals as a pupil, as a student teacher, or as a teacher. This building is a silent witness of the glorious history of this institution since its ANS and BTC days. 50 years ago, the building was almost the same, except that the pine trees were younger. 100 years ago, the building was not there yet. The school was housed in a dilapidated building not far from the present site. But it was then that the rich history of the College of Education started to unfold. Paving the way to quality teacher education, the 100 years journey of this institution started as a training department of Albay Normal School, established in 1921. It was headed by an American principal, Miss Elizabeth Hill. The training department was housed in the Regan Barracks Intermediate School. In 1933, the training department became part of the Albay Provincial High School. The focus of the department was to prepare competent teachers for elementary schools. The setup continued until 1936, when it closes for 2 years. When it reopened in 1938, Albay Normal School offered a 2-year elementary teacher curriculum in its junior normal college, and a laboratory school called Training Department for Student Teachers. The setup continued until the Second World War, which destroyed the building and disrupted the offering of classes. In 1945, after the World War, completion classes were opened, which went on until students graduated in the 2-year program in 1948 with an ETC, or Elementary Teacher Certificate. Continuing the journey and building milestones characterized the next 25 years of the institution. In 1952, the Albay Normal School was chosen as one of the first regional normal schools to offer a 4-year general elementary teacher education curriculum, leading to Bachelor of Science in Education, major in elementary education. In 1956, the Albay Normal School opened the first late afternoon classes for the public school teachers who were graduates of the elementary teacher certificate and were encouraged to continue their studies to earn the bachelor's degree. In 1962, the name of the institution was changed to Bicol Teachers College by virtue of Republic Act Number 3502, expanding the service area of the college to cover the entire Bicol region. It offered the Bachelor of Science in Education for both pre-service and in-service teachers, especially those who wish to complete the 4-year program. The training department for student teachers became the BTC Laboratory School. During the BTC years, only one undergraduate program was offered, the BSE major in elementary education. And it was offered together with the Master of Arts in Education through the scholarship of UNICEF and WHO in School Health Administration. It was offered for teachers in the Bicol region. BTC has come to be regarded as a training ground for quality teachers in the Bicol region and a center for incubating innovative ideas to improve teaching and learning. As a pioneer and leader in education in the region, the commendable performance of its graduates as teachers reflects the high standard of instruction and training offered by the Bicol Teachers College. Witness to their evolution from high school students to elementary school teachers were the corridors and surrounding grounds of the former college building of the Bicol Teachers College that was turned into ashes in the late 1990s. The facade of the Gabaldon building served as the venue of numerous activities that were part of their holistic development as teachers. As a teacher training institution, the Bicol Teachers College took the lead in preparing beginning teachers to serve the public schools, imbued with the competencies aligned with the 4 college ideals: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. These ideals are embodied in the statue of the teacher with 2 grade 1 pupils, showing how a great teacher should exemplify the qualities of a scholar, an instructional leader, a service-oriented teacher, and a model of integrity and moral values. This statue has become a landmark and an emblem of the College of Education. When Bicol University was established in 1969, Bicol Teachers College became part of the university as College of Education. It was one of the 4 schools that composed the Bicol University and was the only one located in the main campus. The other 3 were in Ginobatan Albay, Tabaco, and the East Campus. The journey went on, exploring new pathways towards a new horizon. The College of Education expanded programs by offering Bachelor of Secondary Education in various fields of specialization, aside from the BS in Elementary Education and the Master of Arts in Education that it offered in the BDC days. The Bicol Teachers College Laboratory School became BUCE Laboratory School, while the Daraga Central Elementary School became the BU Pilot Elementary School, established for the purpose of piloting innovative strategies and strengthening the different subject areas in science, mathematics, and English. Later, they became BUCE Laboratory School 1 and 2. In the same manner, Albay High School became BU College of Education Laboratory School, which was home to thousands of high school students whose memories of their high school years did not fade. The journey towards excellence continued when BU College of Education was chosen as Center of Development for Special Education, Elementary Education, and other teacher education programs for Region 5 in 1983. In 1996, it was identified as a Center for Teacher Education, which opened opportunities for expanding the program to include double degree AB, BS, BSN under Project Site or Curriculum Initiative for Teacher Education. It was a 5-year program for only one batch of learners. Certificate in Teaching and Certificate in College Teaching were also offered to meet the needs of non-education graduates who would like to teach. With the approval of the Comprehensive Development Plan, which restructured the colleges into service and professional colleges, BUCE became a professional college, assuming responsibility of the graduate programs aside from its undergraduate offerings. Laboratory schools were integrated and became BUCE Integrated Laboratory Schools. Some faculty members of the college were brought to the service colleges. However, BUCE remained undaunted. It continued to sustain its gains and aim for greater heights. The last 25 years of the journey has been characterized by a continuous quest for excellence in instruction, research, and extension. In 2008, BUCE had another milestone when it was awarded by CHE as Center of Excellence and became Center of Training for DepEd training programs. It gave an opportunity for the college to maximize engagement and extension through in-service trainings of DepEd teachers. In 2016, the college was again awarded as Center of Excellence in Teacher Education. It was also at this time that the college started offering the senior high school in its laboratory school, consistent with the changes in the K-12 program. 3 years later, in 2019, it was awarded Level 4 accreditation for its pioneer program, the Bachelor in Elementary Education, the first to get Level 4 accreditation in the history of Bicol University. Other achievements of the college for the last decades include outstanding performance of students in the licensure examination for teachers, national competitions, student exchange, and other competitions. Research paper presentation of faculty members in local, national, and international conferences. Publication of researches in CHED-refereed journals. Linkage with local, national, and international organizations. And outstanding performance of its graduates as teachers and as educational leaders in the national, regional, division, and school levels. All these milestones and achievements we owe to the men and women who led the college to where it is now. We will be forever grateful to them for paving the way, sustaining the gains, sustaining the journey, exploring unknown territories, and aiming greater heights. We have the former principals and deans of Albay Normal School, Miss Elizabeth Hill, Mr. Macario Naval, Mrs. Zora Klein, and Mr. Benigno Reyes, whose courage and dedication made the initial beginnings of the institution survive the challenges of the World War. Bicol Teacher College Deans Dominador Corralde and Dr. Jacinto Midalyada, who continued the journey of the normal school and built milestones. The Bicol University College of Education Deans Dr. Patria G. Lorenzo, who later became the third president of Bicol University, Dean Arsenio Mirabueno, Dr. Nelia S. Shoxon, Dr. Violeta Diaz, Dr. Oscar Lendagan, and Dr. Faith M. Bachelier, who led the college in exploring more opportunities to serve the Bicolanos by ensuring the delivery of quality teacher education. The BUCE Deans at the turn of the millennium, Dr. Helen M. Llanaresas, Dr. Norina R.C., Dr. Nora L. Licop, Dr. Oscar Lendagan, Dr. Rebecca Rosario Obercasio, Dr. Obdulia E. Rojas, and Dr. Epifania B. Nunez, who sustained the gains of the past, built more milestones, and brought the college to new heights. Of course, we also have to acknowledge that the college has been strongly supported by the BU administration, the BU presidents who put premium on education as a means to attain the visions they had for Bicol University. From its first president, Dr. Ricardo Arcilla, to the succeeding ones, Judge Aquilino Puybonto, Dr. Patria G. Lorenzo, Dr. Lilia Corporal Sena, Dr. Emiliano Abirin, Dr. Susana C. Cabredo, Dr. Faye Leia Patria M. Lauraya, and the current president, Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas. Their support and trust given to the College of Education, as well as the dedication and commitment of the faculty members, are our sources of inspiration. And now, after 100 years, we are more determined to move on, reach more heights, and build more milestones for our beloved Bicol University College of Education. As BUCE reaches its 100th year, the journey continues. The situation is different from when Albay Normal School started, but the challenges remain. With globalization and the challenges of the 21st century, The college has to keep up by strengthening its capacity through research, extension, partnership with local, national, and international institutions, and publication and refereed journals. These are the present-day challenges that we are trying to combat, coupled with the pandemic that has made us more resilient, more flexible in exploring opportunities and possibilities for our beginning teachers. With this, we hope that as we face the next 100 years, we become more steadfast in promoting quality teacher education, the very reason for our existence. May we make the lessons and legacy of the past guide us as we journey towards more unknown territories and more milestones to build. Thank you and good morning.
Yes, ma'am. It was in 1969 when Bicol University was formally established through Republic Act 5521.
That is correct. And since then, the BU College of Education has been led by indefatigable deans whose vision and dedication to the college contributed to its present prestige. We are also honored to be listening to some of their greetings today.
My greetings to each of you. I'm happy to celebrate virtually with you in this historic occasion, the Centennial celebration of Bicol University College of Education. This pandemic situation limited my interaction with former colleagues, students, and friends in the academy. And this celebration, even though virtual, is worth celebrating with all of you. Congratulations to the College of Education. Today, as I look around, it's still a beautiful campus with new buildings and landscape. Far different 50 years ago when I first joined the College of Education. BU College of Education has produced excellent educators and leaders. Once again, congratulations to Bicol University College of Education.
A pleasant good morning to all. My congratulations to Bicol University College of Education on its 100 years of existence as a teacher education institution. Looking back to 1921 as Albay Normal School and Bicol Teachers College, much had been accomplished in the training of professional teachers for the Bicol region. To date, we have the Bicol University College of Education producing the outstanding teachers, professors, and administrators for our schools, both public and private, and who takes leadership role in making all teacher education colleges in the Bicol region move towards excellence, not only on the area of instruction, but also on research and community development. I'm happy I was part of this movement when I was dean in 1989 to 1991. Thanks everyone, and let's carry Bicol University College of Education on to greater heights to produce quality teachers, professors, and administrators who will educate the next generation. Again, my congratulations to Bicol University College of Education for its continuous 100 years of unbeatable endeavor.
With great pleasure and pride, I greet and congratulate the BU College of Education, its alumni, students, teachers, support staff, and administrators on its 100th year anniversary celebration as a prestigious teacher education institution. As we celebrate BUCE Centennial Anniversary, we should always remember and acknowledge the college's past and present laudable contributions in producing quality teachers who have become assets in the educational efforts to improve our quality of education for a better life of our people, not only in the Bicol region, but also in other parts of our country. This legacy of quality education for our teachers must be vigorously pursued and continued with greater relevance to keep BUCE attuned to the modern and future trends in technology and education. Recent events in our country today need constant updating of our curriculum, strategies, and practices to cope with the more challenging and changing times. As an alumnus, former faculty member, and dean of the institution, I feel honored and privileged to be a part of this great celebration in honor of our great alma mater as a teacher education institution for 100 years. Happy BUCE 100th year anniversary. Mabuhay. Dr. Oscar L. Landagan.
With utmost joy and gratitude, I wish to convey my warmest greetings to my alma mater, Bicol University College of Education, on its centennial anniversary as a leading teacher education institution in the region. As a member of the National Network of Normal Schools, BUCE is recognized as one of the 10 original teacher training institutions in the country. It is adjudged as a center of excellence in teacher education and also a center of training. In its 100 years of providing quality education to would-be teachers, it has produced the most number of teachers as well as school administrators in Region 5 and has nurtured and fielded teachers and other professionals in the international community. As a core college of this university, BUCE is so much a part of the struggles the university has gone through before achieving its stature as a premier university in the region. It has done its share and has done it well. Indeed, it has accomplished its mission in providing quality education to the Bicolanos. Congratulations, BUCE, and more power. May you continue the legacy of excellence this university is known for.
My warmest felicitations to the Bicol University College of Education on the occasion of its Centennial Foundation anniversary this December 2021. As a former dean and alumna of this prestigious college, I take great pride and honor in joining the present administration under the able leadership of University President Arnulfo M. Mascareñas and BUCE Dean Lorna M. Minya, the BUCE faculty, support staff, alumni, and students as we celebrate the past and continue the legacy of excellence along the 4 pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Since its founding in 1921, the College of Education has produced thousands of professional teachers, many of whom have been recognized as exemplary educational leaders in the Bicol region and even in the national and international arena. As we celebrate the triumphs that the college has achieved, let us also use this occasion to remember with deep gratitude all the people who have, in one way or the other, contributed to make the Bicol University College of Education what it is today, a premier institution in teacher education. Again, congratulations for the productive 100 years of existence and cheers to the coming years ahead. Mabuhay ang Bicol University College of Education.
panahon, ganda ni Lolo Dagugunda. Iyahi ka magmundo, Lola, yaunitin ang musika. Si Lolo may boses pa, pirming kakantahan kanya. Iyahi ka magmundo, Lola, yaunitin ang musika. Si Lolo may boses pa, itinugto niya sa buya.
Marhay na aldaw sa Indugabos. Greetings, everyone. In a span of 100 years, the Bicol University College of Education has evolved with the waves of change. She has become truly a fount of courage, hope, and love, a seat of truth and light, as the Bicol University hymn goes. Different eras have gone by, shaping the policies and practices of this institution, but the same principles guided her: scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Different people through the years, leading, teaching, and learning, but the same steadfast commitment to excellence. The manifold of her graduates, embodiments of these principles, have been the compelling manifestations of her legacies, then and now, and undoubtedly in the years to come. Indeed, it is a singular honor to be under her nurture as a learner and to be within her embrace as a professional educator and a public servant. And today, in her centennial celebration, I join the entire Bicol University family in honoring her founders and all the people who have been a part of this institution. It is such a surreal feeling to be a part of this once in a lifetime event, as the next 100 years can only be witnessed by the next generations. My warmest congratulations to you, esteemed College of Education family. Happy Centennial celebration. Let us all continue to honor the founders and forebears through what we do and what we are as agents of transformation. Once again, congratulations, mabuhay, and God bless Bicol University College of Education.
With profound joy and earnest sincerity, I convey my warmest greetings to the Bicol University community, its past and present BU Board of Regents, the BU Presidents, especially the 8th BU President Dr. Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, the Vice Presidents, and all other key officials of the various colleges and units, the teaching and the non-teaching personnel, the alumni, and the students, especially of the Bicol University College of Education, the pioneering institution of Bicol University for teacher education that is now 100 years since its foundation in 1921 as Albay Normal School to Bicol Teachers College. My warmest greetings and felicitations. My deepest appreciation and thanks to the present Dean of the BU College of Education, Dr. Lorna Minya, and also Ma'am Cecil Aguilar, for this opportunity to greet BU College of Education and participate in celebrating its past legacy of excellence, particularly for the period of my deanship, 2009 to 2013, highlighting the strong support of the BU administration under the dynamic leadership then of the seventh President, Dr. Faye Lea Patria M. Lauraya, and the collaborative efforts and inspiring support of all the stakeholders of the BU College of Education that contributed much in retaining its glorified stature as a center of training, center of excellence in teacher education, and center of teaching excellence in its role as service provider, a center of training in the conduct of 3 series of teacher induction program for the new elementary school teachers and depth ed in mathematics, science, and English in 2010 to 2011. The conduct of the regional training of depth ed teachers for grade 1 and grade 7 of the K-12 basic education curriculum in year 2012, and for the grade 2 and grade 8 teachers of the said curriculum in 2013. Also in partnership with the provincial government of Albay, Sorsogon and Libon Albay, LGUs, along the Senorhia reading program and training on early childhood education for daycare workers in 2011, with Professor Miriam Maldo and Dr. Zenaida Oraa as coordinators, and the partnership with the PED of the provincial government of Albay in the conduct of Karangahan in Dunong kan Albay Academic Olympics, where teachers of BU College of Education integrated laboratory schools, elementary and high school departments, served as technical working group in 2011 and 2012, contributing to better performance of depth ed schools and the National Achievement Test, as well as the services of some BUCE professors commissioned by PED as members of the technical working group for the search for the 10 outstanding teachers of Albay, 3 outstanding principals and countryside Albay, and the Kadunong Awards for LGU's best practices in education, all aimed for elevating the quality of education for Albayanos. BU College of Education, a center of excellence, with its dean then as the president of the Council of Deans for Teacher Education, CODTE, for Region 5 for 2010 to 2012, in partnership with CHED, with full support of the BU administration, the BUCE COE, Center of Excellence Director, Professor now Dr. Flor Jenkin, and the BUCE faculty and administrative support staff, led in the conduct of yearly Regional Students' Congress for the enhancement of pre-service training of teacher education students, enhancement of their commitment and passion for the teaching profession, internalizing the 21st century life skills of the multiliterate teacher for deeper appreciation of the trends in basic education and gaining insights on the operationalization of the experiential learning courses with focus on the NCBTS and preparation for the NCBTS-based licensure exam for teachers, and led in the conduct of series of conferences and general assemblies for the presidents, heads, colleges, administrators of public and private HEIs, and deans of teacher education institutions for strengthening camaraderie and linkage among TEIs, reinforcing educators' commitment for the promotion of quality teacher education, strengthening the roles as formators of multiliterate teachers, and promoting quality assurance for teacher education. During this period, the BU College of Education was awarded the ISO certificate by the TUV SUD PSB Philippines Incorporated of the Technical Inspection Association of HUD Germany in January 2011, together with other colleges and units of Bicol University, with the initiative of the 7th BU President, and passed the ISO first surveillance audit in November 2011 and the second audit in 2012. Bicol University, with the BU College of Education as lead college, being the former Albay Normal School, had proven its quality management as ISO certified in the successful conduct of the National Conference and workshop on refocusing the normal schools to meet quality teachers education at the SEMU Enotech, Quezon City, on August 11 to 12, 2011, with the dynamic leadership of the 7th President as inspired and supported by Dr. Nenalyn P. Defensor, CHED Commissioner. The National Network of Normal Schools, the 3NS, was born as an outcome of the conference, which on September 25, 2012, came up with a memorandum of agreement among the 10 normal schools on the implementation of the Normalite Erasmus Mundus program, aimed at providing an avenue for a comprehensive exchange of academic and research expertise. Thus, 5 student teachers of BU College of Education were selected for internship in Philippine Normal University, PNU, one of whom was the crowned 2012 Miss BUCE as Miss Bicol University, Miss Monalyn Abaluado, and the BU College of Education welcomed on November 13, 2012, 5 student teachers from Mariano Marcos State University, Ilocos. Along research, BU College of Education was funded in coming up with a curriculum in master's degree and preschool education. Another funded research was on the enduring legacy, the journal or the journey of normal schools in the Philippines, the coffee table book of the 3NS, taken charge by the PNU, participated in by the 7th BU President and her research staff, the BU Vice President for Academic Affairs, the BU Planning Officer, the BUCE Dean, and the BUCE Research Coordinator for the research-based enduring legacy, the journey of Albay Normal School, which is now the BU College of Education. BU College of Education, a center of teaching excellence with academic program offerings accredited level 3 and competent faculty, had produced student awardees of Blue Feathers, the highest academic award in the university by the BU President. The program offerings enhanced with varied students' activities in school publication, peer counseling, reading festivals, September Fest and Educators Festival, and other significant programs and activities along science, math, English, Filipino, social studies, ICT, TLE, MAPE, and other disciplines, led the dynamic student leaders of college student organizations and faculty coordinators, as well as the extensive mentoring of pre-service teachers and their experiential learning by respective faculty coordinators, with a free review for the licensure exam for teachers for the BUCE students provided by the BUCE faculty, which accommodated also the students from other teacher education colleges, with support from the BU administration. All these had contributed, and BUC is producing top placers in teacher education licensure examination, with percentage of passing exceeding the national passing average, which rose higher than the 2011 performance. Thus, the BU College of Education in 2012 gained the title and the award as the best college and the initial implementation of President Aquino's Executive Order Number 80, Series 2012, on the performance-based incentive system for national agencies and employees, with the biggest PBB incentive giving to BUCE employees based on the 2012 performance. BU College of Education was also awarded the Best in Extension Service in 2012 with Dr. Vilma Balyon as the coordinator. BUCE Elementary Department garnered international recognition for the brilliant math wizard pupil then, who won medals in international math competitions with Professor Sherry Orozco as the coach. Pupils of both elementary and also the students of high school department also excelled in the press conferences. The strong ties to BU College of Education of the ANS and BTC alumni brought support for the scholarship program, especially from the USA-based BTC alumni, and the grant of Cielo Adelina Florin Sartes Salceda Professorial Chair for Teacher Education, she being the grantor as ANS alumna, and Governor Joey Salceda, his son, as the donor, in honor of his mother, an exemplar teacher herself. To give recognition to highly competent faculty of teacher education of Bicol University in the pursuit of academic excellence in the area of education. Among the 4 teacher education colleges in Bicol University, a BU College of Education faculty, Professor Flor Jenkin, qualified for the first professorial chair grant in 2011. The modernization of BU College of Education's facilities, a center of excellence, especially the completion of the 3-story Center of Teaching Excellence halls, the provision of science laboratory equipments, and the pavement of the inside roads in the campus were highly supported by the BU administration during this period, as well as the funding for the faculty's research, presentation, and international conferences. With pride also, the 2 new doctorate programs, the PhDs programs of the BU College of Education, of the graduate programs, were evaluated, accredited, and passed in year 2012, but started in 2011. A COE and ISO certified quality management organization, the BU College of Education hosted the benchmarking of PNU in January 2013, the Western Mindanao State University in April 2013, and the Camarines Sur Polytechnic College in May 29, 2013. Greetings of sincere gratefulness is conveyed to all past and present BU officials of the BU College of Education, key officials, teaching and non-teaching personnel, for their unwavering dedication, commitment, support, and cooperation during the period of my deanship, and sharing their talents for the realization of the BUCE's vision, mission, goals, and objectives, and in upholding the pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service. Much more gratefulness is accorded to you all for continuing the legacy of excellence. My most cordial felicitations to the BU College of Education on this very significant centennial celebration.
It is my pleasure to congratulate the entire College of Education community as we celebrate our 100th founding anniversary. I am happy to join the college during this moment in history. 2021 is a milestone year. This year's celebration is very challenging, but occasions like these are beautiful reminders of great memories to take pride in all the incredible accomplishments of the past decades in teacher education. We have touched countless lives and will continue to play a significant role in the surrounding regions. The future is bright for the college. Thank you to our dear students, faculty, and staff, both past and present, and our dear alumni for your hard work to make the college a leader in teacher education. Once again, warmest congratulations on 100 years of history making.
Thank you so much to our highly respected former deans for your messages. Thank you also for your steadfast service to the college, which made it what it is today. You continue to serve as our inspiration. We also would like to thank the talented BUCE Cuerdas 2018, trained by Professor Apple and Rubio for that wonderful intermission number, and the BUCE Faculty Choir, under the baton of Professor Luiden L. Lumbao, for that beautiful performance.
As we mark this symbolic year in BUCE's existence, let us now welcome Dr. Angela E. Lorenzana, the chairperson of the Language and Literature, Humanities, and Social Studies Department, for the unveiling of the historical marker design.
Good day to everyone. It is a great honor and privilege to witness the unveiling of the historical marker highlighting the 100th year anniversary of teacher education in Bicol University. A historical marker is a sign erected to denote a significant or aesthetic historic site, building, or city. They tell stories. Our story begins with Albay Normal School in 1921. In the pre-war years, it operated as a 2-year teacher training school. In 1952, it was chosen as one of the first regional normal schools to offer the 4-year elementary education. Republic Act No. 3502 in 1962 changed the name to Bicol Teachers College as a state college granting a baccalaureate degree with the entire Bicol region as the service area. Republic Act 5521, establishing Bicol University, caused its renaming into Bicol University College of Education. Its most recent laurels are being the Center of Excellence in Teacher Education in 2016, and that its pioneer program, Bachelor of Elementary Education, is the first in the university to attain Level 4 accreditation awarded by the Accrediting Agency for State Colleges and Universities of the Philippines. We have this historical marker to thank God for the hundredfold blessings He has given to our college and to manifest our gratitude to the people that made it soar to greater heights. Diyos mabalos sa Indogabos. Mabuhay, Bicol University College of Education.
Thank you, Dr. Lorenzana. May this design be an embodiment of what BUCE has and will become as it continues to uphold Bicol University's pillars of scholarship, leadership, character, and service.
To formally end our program, let us welcome Dr. Maria Teresa M. Abainza, the Associate Dean of our college, for her closing remarks.
A century of existence is a breakthrough. It is a feat that cannot be simply allowed to pass without a blast. And we at the College of Education are elated at the thought that we have come this far as an institution. And be that as it may, the number of lives this institution has changed has perhaps reached a figure beyond our imagination, abiding, of course, by the idea of the ripple effect. And so, we thank those who made this celebration of 100 years possible. Thank you too to our university officials headed by our president, Dr. Noli Mascarenhas, for the very strong support given. I also wish to thank our Dean, Dr. Lorna Minya, who really pushed for the realization of this celebration. Thank you too to the faculty, the department heads, the committee chairs, the non-teaching personnel and staff, and the students of Bicol University College of Education. Your cooperation and participation in all the activities that we have planned together have made this celebration a success. A big, big thank you to all of you. Indeed, this moment when it comes to pass will not come back. But because we work together, we are creating a legacy and a memory that the future generation can look back to, recall, revive, emulate, and perhaps even surpass. In the coming days, we shall have more activities that you will enjoy and that we are happy to share with you. Please come aboard and join us in these days of wonder and excitement. Every day you shall be kept updated via the BUFB page and the BUCE FB page as well. So please be with us and have fun with us. Marhay na aldaw sa Indugabos.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Tet, for your invaluable words and support.
This is the end of our program, but this also marks the beginning of our centennial anniversary celebration. Please join us in our activities as we remember, give thanks, and look forward to BUCE's continued fulfillment of its mission in the Bicol region.
Yes, please continue to journey with us beyond our celebration of this historic milestone in BUCE's existence.
This has been Miriam Pado Maldo
and Maria Sheena A. Haushan.
Thank you very much and happy centenary BUCE.
the school we wish to say, of the school to honor